Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. Excuse me, this is your planning briefing for August 26th. Just want to talk about some key points. The smoke across the area generally exits this evening. Cooler, showery, breezy weather on Friday. Temperatures warm up over the weekend and things dry out. And early next week, seasonable temperatures, lower min-RH, and some breezy winds, especially in the afternoons. May also pick up a few showers midweek across the north. Just wanted to take a look at the morning satellite loop. Excuse the garble there at the beginning, but just a lot of mid-level moisture moving across the area. I may pick up a few sprinkles and, of course, be fairly smoky through the day. Also, as we get into the afternoon hours, likely see a few thunderstorms in southwest Montana and along the divide. Just looking at the threat matrix, let me grab the laser pointer here. Looking at Friday, may have a few thunderstorms in western Montana, not a lot, just a couple. And also the winds pickups will be fairly breezy, 15 to 25 across west central and southwest Montana. Quiet over the weekend. And then drying out, especially in southwest Montana, early next week with low min-RHs, and then breezy to windy conditions, once again, especially on Tuesday. Looking at the smoke across the area, this is one forecast model's a loop of the smoke concentration beginning, here we go, this afternoon and continuing into early Friday morning. You can see a considerable push eastward of the majority of the smoke. As we look back toward the eastern Cascades, the fires that are ongoing there do present a bit of smoke that will probably affect the area Friday into Saturday, but certainly nothing like we've seen today. As we get into early next week, we may see those concentrations with the smoke anyway start to pick up once again. Now looking at the probability of wetting rains on Friday, want to focus on northwest Montana. We have anywhere from like 60 to 90% chance of a tenth of an inch or greater of precipitation. If we step that up just a bit higher, we're looking at the probability of a quarter inch of rain or more. You can see anywhere from a 30 to 50% chance, so that's fairly significant. Look at the actual forecast precipitation amounts. You can see a lot of 1/10 to 2/10 of water for the lower elevations of northwest Montana. Once you get into the terrain, more like a quarter to a half inch, pretty common precipitation amount. We'll also see a little bit of rain in Clearwater County, Idaho, and then right along the I-90 corridor, but not expecting a whole lot. Especially, you get south of I-90, the chances for showers decrease considerably. Now this is a look at mid-level heights across the United States, beginning on Saturday, continuing through Wednesday. And generally, if you look at the color fill, the lighter blue color fill is indicative of lower pressure troughiness, and then the more orangish red is high pressure and ridging. And so what I really wanted to point out was over the weekend, we'll let it loop back towards the weekend here. So over the weekend, we have ridging across the area, those warming temperatures, things are drying out. And then as we get into early next week, we have troughiness digging across the area. And so really how that plays out is just early next week with that trough digging down. We're going to see that increase in afternoon breezes each day, like we pointed out in the threat matrix. Temperatures drop a little bit, so they rise over the weekend, and then they drop once again early next week to more seasonable levels, lots of 70s and low 80s across the area, and those min-RHs will be fairly dry. And it doesn't look like there's any widespread precipitation event on the way. We may see a few showers midweek in northwest Montana, but otherwise pretty dry for the upcoming week. And just taking it a little step further, the 8 to 14 day outlook. Generally, we're kind of right in the middle here, so those seasonable temperatures look most likely. And then looking at actual precipitation, favored toward more of a below normal as far as precipitation goes, September 2nd through September 8th. But anyways, thank you for joining us. Hope you have a good day.